Hello and welcome back to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make some protein chocolate chip cookies. First thing, what you'll want is a stick of fat-free cream cheese. You can use regular cream cheese if you want, but to keep this lower calorie and low fat, definitely look for fat-free. You can find this at most of your local grocery stores. Will have some kind of variety of cream cheese that is fat-free. You use the whole bar. It's 30 calories per serving. So if you do the whole thing, it's about 200. There's 8 servings, so 240 calories. The whole thing, put it into your mixing bowl. Next up, I'm using 100% pure pumpkin. You don't want the pumpkin pie mix. You want the 100% pure pumpkin. Way lower in calorie, very good for you, very healthy. 40 calories per serving. I only used 60 grams, which is half a serving. So 20 calories of the pumpkin pie mix. After that, I used some coconut flour. You can use white flour if you want to use white flour. I just prefer the coconut flour. It has more higher fiber and everything in it. One serving is 60 calories. I used 45 grams, 3 servings. So 45 grams of this, put that in your mixing bowl. Next up, no calorie sugar, so stevia, splenda, whatever your choice is, 10 to 15 grams, add some sweetness. Your preference, really, how much sweetness you want to add to this. So 15 grams I did in this one. Again, it's up to you what you want to do. Then I used the imitation vanilla flavor, vanilla extract. If you want to use vanilla extract, your choice. This is like 98 cents at Walmart, so very cheap, does the job. And I used 5 grams of the vanilla extract or Baker's imitation vanilla flavor. After that, just one regular large egg, 70 calories per egg. I just put 1 egg into the mixing bowl. And then I picked me up some Bake Believe, no sugar added, chocolate chips. Lily's has a good baking chip too that's sugar-free if you can't find these, but this one only has 60 calories per serving. I used 3 servings of this, so 45 grams I put into the mixing bowl. And it only has 4.5 grams of fat, 4 grams of fiber in this, and 1 gram of protein. No sugar. So, very, very good. This or Lily's, your choice. And then for your protein powder, I'd stick with the vanilla or anything that, I mean, you can use chocolate, whatever you want to use that tastes good with chocolate chips that you prefer. I went with a white chocolate raspberry. I used the ISO, lower in calories too. This one only has 110 calories per scoop. I did 2 scoops of protein powder. So 2 scoops of whatever your favorite protein powder is that you want to make this with. You can go with the casing. It will be a lot thicker. Probably different baking times too. You might have to work a little bit with that with the casing. I'm using just an ISO. You can use a whey protein. It's going to be the same. Put that all into a mixing bowl, mix it together, and also if you want, you can put some salt in there. I just add just a tad in there just for a little bit of savory sweet. You don't have to, your choice. But again, after you get that all mixed together, this is what your batter should look like. Okay. After you get it all mixed together, all you'll do is get a cooking pan, line it with some parchment paper or some foil. I just lined mine with some foil. Sprayed it with some nonstick, okay? And again, don't be heavy-handed on these. They all say 0 calories, but here in fine print it actually does tell you that it does have some calories. Second spray is 9 calories, so you're going to sit here and be heavy-handed on it. You're going to add a lot of extra calories to it, but again, little quarter sprays, 0 calories, not a big deal. Just don't go crazy with them. Preheat your oven, 375 degrees. And then you'll probably bake it anywhere between 15-20 minutes. I check it at 15 minutes depending on your oven. Could vary on the times. Then I just get a bowl and I dip my hands in it to get the batter out so I can roll these together. When your hands are nice and wet, you can actually get them to roll a little better and the dough doesn't stick to your hands as much. Now, depending on the size of the cookies and everything, it's going to be your choice of how many cookies that you actually make up. I'll probably make up anywhere from 8 to 10 cookies. We'll see how much I get. I don't really care how they look. It's about how they taste to me. So I just try to get them into some kind of a ball shape. Get them on here. All right, and then I'll bake these for 15 minutes. I'll take them out of the oven, check them, see how they're doing. And see, if you don't have this water, it does get really sticky, and they do stick to you pretty well. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of these out, put them in the oven, and let you know how these come out. So there you go, 15 minutes in the oven. I ended up making 9 of them, decent sized cookies. Just golden brown underneath. So 9 chocolate chip cookies, 15 minutes in the oven on 375. If you're gonna make it the same way, just like I did, come out to 910 calories. 69 grams of carbs, 23 grams of fat, and 92.5 grams of protein. So just over 100 calories a cookie. Well, let's see. Yeah. So 910 divided by 9 is about 101 calories a cookie. And then 92, it's about 10 grams of protein in each cookie, so not bad at all. If you're looking at your normal cookies, these things taste delicious. You can make them smaller, get more cookies. You can make them bigger if you want bigger cookies, just depending on what size you want to make them. And then if you're not going to eat the whole thing, I suggest getting a container and setting them in the fridge, because it is cream cheese. You want it to sit in the fridge. Pop them out whenever you want a cookie, a snack. But they do definitely taste delicious. Very easy to make, very quick to make, not hard at all. So thank you guys again for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos that come out. And you guys have a great day.